Okay, hello guys. Today we will present about the fiber optic. So during our current age, the increasing ability to transmit more information over the longer distance more quickly has expanded the boundaries of our technological development in many areas such as data network, wireless communication, cable operator and the broadcaster. So fiber optic go back as far as Roman time, but the first was an optical telegraph, which allowed the operator to relay a message from one tower to the next by a series of light mounts on the towers. This was invented in 1790 by the French Chap brother. This is a great achievement was made in optical science over the course of the next century. Normally, people will compare this fiber optic with the copper wire. We know that a fiber optic system is similar to the copper wire system, but the fiber optic is steadily replacing the copper wire today and as an appropriate means of communication signal transmission. So optical fiber has two types, which is the first one is a single mode. It's used for a long distance, has a small cost and transmit infrared laser light. But another one is the multi-mode, which is normally used in a short distance, has a large of cores and transmit infrared light.
So optical fiber cable made up of 1,000 strands of fiber cable. Each strand of fiber cable is as thin as human hair. So the optical fiber cable use light as their medium of transportation. So they use some common method that we already learned at school in physics, I think, which is light and reflection.
Optical fibers are widely used in telecommunication and medical equipment like endoscope. Each single glass fiber is coated with a thin layer of another type of glass of lower reflective index, like rays entering the interface between the two glass surfaces at angles of incidence greater than the critical angle undergo total internal reflection. After many repeated total internal reflections at the wall, the light rays emerge from the other end without loss of intensity. A bundle of parallel fibers is used to construct an optical transmission line for transferring the image of an object from one point to another. The optical fiber cables are strong and flexible, plus it is thinner and lighter. Optical fiber is always cheaper than copper cables. It also can carry a much higher volume of telephone calls, computer data and TV pictures than electrical wires. Optical fibers has high quality transmission of information over long distances with minimal signal loss.
So we proceed to the light and reflection. So light and reflection, we should know about critical angle and also total internal reflection. So when the light strike the wall of the optical fiber and it's ensured that it will be greater than critical angle, then the total internal reflection happen. So when the total internal reflection happen, they will strike back into the same medium and this happen around the optical fiber. So if like I said, if optical fiber is about 1 to 2 kilometer, then all around 2 kilometer, they will happen total internal reflection in the optical fiber cable.